Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to do this simple braid ponytail on a 4C natural hair. You're welcome back. I'm using this brush to brush my hair because it's hard and my hair was not stretched for this hair. The harder brush makes it easy for this hair to really relax the way I want it. Of course, you have to secure your hair with a thread, just like I'm doing. I actually use wool for a tighter secure. So I applied Eco Styling Gel on the hair, but I saw that it wasn't actually giving me that firm hold I needed. So I added edge control. So the product I used is Feco, what I just displayed right now on the screen. So apply a generous amount until you're okay. Now attach your hair extension. So the technique I use in attaching this hair extension is that I cross the extension, like I cross it, like dividing it into two, not really two equal to, into two, then putting it like in between. The thread now has to pass in between to the hair that you actually tied in the middle there to secure it firmly. So that was actually the technique I used there. Best is you can actually comb after this process. Though I didn't comb, you can actually comb for a smoother braid, a smoother ponytail, but I just use my hand to detangle. So you can actually use your comb. braid your extension this time around, but add as much as you want. If you want the thickness to be more, so add more. The more you add, the more thicker it gets. But please don't add, let the add not be bigger than what you started with. Just add it little by little to get the thickness you want. So I decided to twist my extension, to twist it. So the way I did this twisting method is just like when you want to do your box braid, not the knotless braid. So that was actually the way I crossed it, and then I took two parts of it to start twisting, and I will do the same at the other side. So you see what I want to use this for. Of course, trimming is actually essential to give a smoother braid or a smoother twist, as the case may be. So we are adding that twisting that we just did right now to the root of the braid. It's actually going to give it a lift. So I just bent the little hair that came out from the knotting I made so that it's smooth and it doesn't lose from there. Just a little bending. So after which we are going to put it in hot water. Please note that I didn't actually put the entire body in the hot water, but I decided to do a compress because I don't want the braid to shrink. I do not want the braid to shrink, so I decided to do a compress. So our hair is ready right now. So this is style 1. You can also style it in another way, which is the style 2. Guys, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button if you haven't. Like, share, comment, and thank you so much for today, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.